to the very end because these flies are just flying all over the place. She knew the risks of waiting, so I just caution you. Hey there, John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. Today we're going to be talking about one of my clients who reached out to me from Florida, and she is looking to purchase an annuity with 2 old annuity contracts, and she's going to get a ton of lifetime income. So actually to the tune of $107,000 in guaranteed annual income for the rest of her life. So she's got to defer it out for 5 years, but still, that's just phenomenal. And she's putting in a roughly $974,000, and it's coming from 2 annuities, old annuities. And she waited till the very end because when we chatted with each other, it was a few months ago, and she was a little worried that the rates were going to go down. Thankfully, they did not. She wanted to wait till the very last anniversary date of her annuity contracts, or the maturity date. After 7 years, she didn't have any surrender charges. So she lucked out. Sometimes it does not always work out that way. So I just caution you to do that. She knew the risks of waiting, but you know what? It paid off for her. She has no surrender charges, and she's going to get the maximum lifetime income from that. So if you do have an annuity that you want to replace for yourself, and you know that there are others out there that are better for you and better for lifetime income, if you want to, book a call with me. We'll look at it, and we can see if there's another option that would be better for you. You can go to my annuity calculators as well. It's on johnstevenson.com, and you'll be able to work out the numbers there for yourself as well. But what you have to do, though, if you are in a surrender charge period, is you have to get a bonus product. So in her case, she didn't have to because she literally was like 3 months from the end of her 7-year surrender charge period. So it was perfect for her. These flies are just flying all over the place. I'm in a beautiful, beautiful canyon, and there's just lots of greenery, and there's water nearby, and so the flies are plentiful. So I try to find a spot to do these videos, but sometimes they're flying up my eyes and my nose and stuff while I'm trying to do these videos. But this lady, she's going to put $974,000 in. She's going to get $107,000. She's going to defer it out for 5 years and take out a single lifetime payout for the rest of her life. So if she was married, of course, it would be a little bit less than that. Actually, she is married, but they have other contracts, and her husband will be fine. Anyways, it's a very good contract for her. And I would invite you to book a call with me if you're looking to replace your annuities, or if you're looking to get a new annuity. If you just are thinking about taking advantage of some of the high rates right now, and you're not sure what to do about it, book a call with me. There's a link below this video, and we can go over your questions. If you go to my website, johnstevenson.com, you can see some annuity options there. I show everything. I don't hold anything back. And if you want to book a call with me there, you can too. But I'm just so excited for this lady. She was in a good spot. I mean, we could have put her in a bonus product and she would have been fine. When you get a bonus product, usually you get like a 10% bonus, and it'll basically make you whole. It'll give you back all the surrender charges and then some, and give you a lifetime income. So it's usually the way to go. You get a ton more income, and it works out great for the client. But in her case, she was just so close to her maturity, and she's like, I don't really want to lose any money if I don't have to. I know I can do it now, but I think I'll wait just to see how things go. And she was fine. So when rates are good and we don't anticipate any changes in that in the near term, then I'll usually tell people you'll probably be all right. But there's no promises. You never know what the annuity companies will do. They do change rates often. So it is hard to know whether or not you can lock that in at the same rate if you wait later on down the road. Anyways, I'm thinking again about this annuity contract, and I actually do think it's a joint payout, the more I think about it, because it's based off of her age, and so it really doesn't make any difference. She can take a joint payout, take the highest payout, because they're still basing it off of her age. She's like 3 or 4 years younger than her husband, and because of that, insurance companies don't think guys are going to live very long, so because of that, they base the payout off the female. So actually, yeah, it is a joint payout. So anyways, I do so many of these. A lot of times when I'm making these videos, I forget if it's joint or single. Most of them are, I would say most of them are joint, just because most people I work with are married. But you really won't know for yourself unless you actually check out the annuity calculators, plug in your numbers, and then you'll know for sure what's best for you. So the income rider typically pays the most, gives you the most flexibility, allows you to activate income at any time, which is great when you're not sure when you're going to take income, because she might decide to take income in 3 years, and she mentioned that she might take it earlier. She can do that, and I think it's like 94 grand. So it's still good, but it's just a little bit less if she takes it earlier. Anyways, appreciate you watching. If you do like the video, make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment below if you got questions. Again, if you want to book a call and you're thinking about purchasing an annuity, click on the link below and we'll get on a Zoom call. So anyways, it's johnstevenson.com. And I just came up here. I'm in the Sierra Nevada mountains, and I just wanted to hike up a little bit to the creek. There's a beautiful creek that goes down this mountain, and then there's this area that just gets super green. You kind of see kind of where I come up from. The trail down there. It's a nice little hike. It's about 1,000 feet of elevation gain in 0.8 miles. So it's pretty steep. It's a really good workout, which is great. Exercise is good. Exercise helps you live longer, and annuities actually have been proven to make people live about 3 to 5 years longer. They did a study on that like 100 years ago, which I thought was very interesting, very telling, because when we don't want to outlive our money, and we're just trying to time everything, I think it can almost be detrimental, like mentally for us, make us not live as long. But with an annuity payout, you just know, well, I'm just going to take them for all they got. I'm going to live as long as I possibly can, because I know the income's always going to be there. So pretty nice. Anyways, all right, thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.